Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? Hope you're all fine by the grace of Almighty Allah and you'll be safe at your homes. Welcome, students, to your new grade class 3. And this is your new science book, and I'm your teacher, Miss Saima. Before we start our lesson, let's make dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, increase my knowledge. First chapter of your science book 3 is healthy living. You know how we can live a healthy life by having a proper and balanced diet, by keeping our teeth clean and go to bed early and wake up early in the morning, and by doing some physical exercises to keep our body fit, and by getting lots of fresh air. Now the first topic of your chapter is healthy food. You know that food is very necessary for us to live, and it also provides us energy, because if we skip food we will not have enough energy to do any activity. And it also contains some nutrients, and different type of nutrients provide us with the energy. It helps us to grow and keeps us healthy as well. Now the main types of nutrients are the carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Food can be stored in different groups depending on the types of the nutrients it is rich in. Okay, now first one is a carbohydrate. The food that has a lot of the sugar or starch, such as the rice, cakes, which is rich in the carbohydrate, and the carbohydrate provides us lots of energy. Okay, now the proteins, it contains the meat, eggs, dairy products, and beans. And proteins provide us with the energy, and it also helps us to grow. The fats, the oils, butter, fatty meat, and ghee, these are all rich in the fats, and fat stores in our body, and it provides us with the energy and also keeps us warm. The vitamins and the minerals, uh, vitamins and minerals are mostly present in the fruits and vegetables, and these keeps us healthy. Now the health problems, there are certain problems related to health if you take food not in enough quantity, such as overweight. Overweight is a condition when you eat too much food which is rich in the carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, and excess energy that is not be used will be stored as fats in the body, and you will become overweight. It is very unhealthy to be overweight, as it can lead to many health problems. Also the sickness, when you do not eat enough food, you will not have the energy to do many things, and you will fall sick easily because you do not receive enough vitamins and minerals to stay healthy, and you might not grow to be as big and tall as you can be. If a person does not eat for a few days, he will not have enough energy, and he will become tired and weak and may fall sick. And if the person continues to go without food, he will eventually die. Now the balanced diet, the food we eat is called the right, and to stay healthy it is the best to have a balanced diet. Balanced diet has a variety of food in the right amounts to keep us strong and healthy. The balanced diet contains the whole grain bread and fruits, rice, vegetables, fish, low fat dairy products. These are the healthy food. We should eat more of these types of food to stay healthy. Deep fried food, sugary soft drinks, cookies, creamy cakes, donuts, ice cream, sweets, hot dogs, french fries. I know these all are your favorite ones, but actually these all are unhealthy foods, and you should eat very less of these types of food, because by eating these foods in the large quantity, you may become sick, and even these food cause food poisoning as well. And by eating these such kind of food, the body cannot grow. Now move to your workbook, and we will do the activity related to the topics which we have learned in today's class. Activity 1.1 is about my food diary, which is given on your page number 1. And in this activity there is a table given to you which is 3 columns, and in each column you have to write what do you eat for your breakfast, for your lunch, and your dinner. Just you have to write down the name of that food in this table. Just suppose you eat sandwiches or paratha in the breakfast, or drink juice or milk or tea, whatever you drink. Just write the name of that food. And in lunch you eat vegetables or pulses, whatever, and in dinner rice or fish or meat, whatever. Okay, you have to write the names of that food. There are some questions related to the balanced diet given on your page number 2 in your science workbook. And question number 1, which of the food you have eaten are rich in carbohydrates or fats that provide you with a lot of energy? Obvious, the food which are rich in carbohydrate provide us with a lot of energy, and the food which are rich in carbohydrate are rice, potato, cakes, etc. And question number 2, which of the food you have eaten are rich in proteins that help your body to grow? You have to write the names of the food which are rich in proteins, like meat, eggs, pulses, dairy products, milk, etc. And in question number 3, which of the food you have eaten are rich in vitamins and minerals that keep your body healthy? Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. So write down the names of the fruits and vegetables, and you should eat green vegetables and fresh fruits to keep your body healthy. Activity 1.2 is about, do I eat healthy food? So in the first question given on your page number 3, there is a table given to you, and you have to write different types of food you eat in the columns. In the first column you have to write the food you eat frequently, means often and regularly you eat, like chapati, rice, vegetables, meat, etc. And in the second column you have to write the name of the food you eat sometimes, like ice cream, cake, uh, burger, charts, etc. And in the third column you have to write down the foods you eat occasionally, like halim or barbecue tikka, etc. Okay, just write three names of the food in each column. Now there are some questions given to you below the table. The first question, which of the above food are healthy? So I think in the first column, because you eat healthy foods frequently. And the second question, which of the foods you like are um, unhealthy food? So unhealthy food may be in the uh, second or the third column, because sometimes you eat, or on occasions you eat unhealthy food. And the third question, how often do you eat healthy food? Obvious, regularly you eat healthy foods, because rice and chapati are the food you use regularly. And then the last question, how often do you eat unhealthy food? So I don't know how much how often you eat unhealthy food, maybe twice a week or once a week, etc. Okay. Now class, this is your homework to read the topics which I have taught you in this class, and do the activity in your workbook. Okay, thank you.